much for having us, and take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
My voice is in my sword! Thou bloody villain!
So, the Macbeth team have come back to rehearsals before their big day tomorrow when they perform to a live audience. But why is that? Well, last time they did this show, they actually did it for screen. And the energy that you use for screen and the technique and the discipline is very different from when you do it in front of a live audience.
So the things that we have to do when we're on tour is firstly we have to get everything that's in the van and we have to take it out and bring it into the assembly hall, assemble it, and then we also have to put in the sound systems. There's a lot of wires, we have to think about health and safety so that we don't trip anyone. In this project we have to cue the music ourselves, so there's quite a lot to think about.
So the difference between doing it online and doing it live is huge, really, because we're going to know what the show actually feels like and how people respond, you know, to those jokes, to those scary bits, to those shocking bits. Whereas online, we were there, but we couldn't actively engage with the students. So it's going to be very, very different, but really, really exciting.
The difference between doing it live and doing it online. I suppose the only thing with the online is we only really did the workshops online. We didn't actually, so we filmed at Camberwell in Feb, I believe.
January.
Thanks, that's why we have my man there. So in January we filmed it and it was amazing. It was amazing film. It was my first time filming some theatre and it is a very different experience in terms of not having an audience there, not getting that same energy, not getting that same buzz and whatever, but I'm seriously looking forward to being able to really perform in front of a live audience where they get to give me something, once I give them, you know what I mean?
Scary or exciting? Exciting, very, very exciting. I'm glad that we're going on tour just for a few shows, but we'll really get to know what the show is, you know, in front of a live audience, and that's what theatre's about, putting it in front of a crowd. So I'm very, very excited.
He's only human.
He's only human, after all.